Sundays are for roast chicken, and I made this very desi style, very juicy and moist roast chicken in the air fryer. The key ingredients for the chicken here are the freshly chopped vegetables, and also marination is the key. The longer you marinate the chicken, the tastier and super moist it will be. So I'm going to share the recipe with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. I have taken one full chicken here and I've cut it into four large pieces. Then I've added chopped onion, chopped pepper, coriander, ginger garlic paste and tomato paste. Make sure that you don't make a paste of the vegetables but just chop the vegetables very finely. And then add all the spices here. I think kasuri methi is really underrated, but it gives such an amazing flavor to anything that you make with it. I marinated the chicken for about 5 to 6 hours in the fridge. You can let it marinate overnight as well. Then I placed the chicken in the air fryer. I'm using baking paper here on the rack of the air fryer to keep the chicken really soft and moist and juicy. I don't want the juices to be drained off from the chicken. And then I flip the chicken after 20 minutes. The timing might be different according to your air fryer, but keep an eye on it and I hope you enjoy it.